Si Rain.
Hit,
Anak ko ka na.
hit, hit.
Energetic welcome address. We come now to the presentation of the candidates for completion by Teacher Mary Rose Akman, to be followed by the confirmation of the candidates for completion.
Pastor Attorney Michael M. Morigas, I have the honor to present to you the 33 Magandang umaga sa ating mga kagalang-galang na guro, sa ating school president, Pastor Michael M. Morigas, sa mga magulang na walang sawang nag-aaruga at sumusuporta, at sa mga bituin ng araw na ito, ang ating mga munting graduates. 22 years ang nakaraan noong ako ay pre-LM dito. Mahabang panahon. Ngunit tila kahapon lamang nung ako ang nakaupo sa inyong
Tapos ka na dyan, bukas ka.
Di Maano Apollo G. Ron Katapa, Win. Vela and Budding Mathematician Award. Villanueva Agustin Kai Sebastian Castillo. He will receive a Friendly Neighbor Award and Sporting Kid Award. A Cheerful Soul Award and Year Kid Award. Dolores Hope Chandria Benigno. She will receive a Courteous Kid Award and Young Senior Award.
Virtual DJ.
To formally start our ceremony, let us all rise. De Guzman. With honors, she will also receive a Golden Heart Award and Batang Manunulat Award. Congratulations to all our awardees and to their parents. We come now to the district lesson play Sandy again, congratulations, completers, and may your ambitions continue to grow. Salaga Anila Riley de Guzman. Once again, congratulations, completers, and may your ambitions continue to burn bright. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to elementary class 2025-2026 as he gives us.
And biblical principles of my alma mater, to be loyal to her and to do my best for the glory of God. I make this pledge in gratefulness to God and to sovereign shepherds for the wise and learning, and in acknowledgement of God's purpose in my life.
You may now take your seat. This time, our
Sila dyan.
When something seems too hard to handle, too big to conquer, too far away to touch, when all your dreams begin to shatter, and deep inside you your home knows the touch. That's when it's time to say, climbing my mountain step by step, climbing my mountain day by day, climbing my mountain all the way, climbing my mountain. I'm gonna make it one step at a time, one step at a time, one step at a time, with Jesus side by side. One step at a time, one step at a time. I'm climbing my mountain, one step at a time. Even though you might grow weary, don't be discouraged. In our weakness, God is strong. Remember this, He'll never leave you. He won't
good kindergarten completers. Before we end our ceremony for today, let us call in Pastor Attorney Michael M. Bonigas, our school president.
Mga guest speaker na during graduations natin and moving up ceremonies po ay ang ating pong mga graduates. At nakaka-inspire, nakakatuwa po na pakinggan ang ating pong mga graduates po natin ay mga professional na talaga. At habang aking minamasdan, isang katotohanan, matanda na nga ako. Ako pa po ang nagpaturo, si Joy Grace po, kabilang siya sa first batch.
Binigyan ko pala si Chef Kuya Thank you. Ayun mo lang. Baby, lapit doon.
Okay, Vic.
Harap ka pa ng ID doon sa daddy. Harap ka sa daddy.
Teka, teka.
Ikaw talaga eh. Tama. Ito master of boses ko. Ay nahanap niya.
Tayo mo na basa. Merienda ko lang tayo merienda sa bahay.
Ano yan?
Ito.
Okay ka na? Busog ka na?
Si SpongeBob.
Oh, talaga may ano
Mamaya
pa.
sa akin.
Wow, ang cute. Ba? Ate na. Ang cute.
Yan ang updates.
Alin?
Hold it like this, okay?
Ayun cute. Bakit may burger? Burger pare?
Burger. Burger. Oh, go. Sure ka, Daddy. Kitingin ka, Daddy.
Hindi, aba uy.
Smile! Ala, yung buhok mo! Dami? Kakain ka ba sa bahay?
I-whisky po yung ano.
Kaya papalitan ko na lang din.
Tingnan na ibon. Habang spell. Ibon. Ito naman po ay bangs po. Bali, 7 rice ma'am. Dito ako na po nilagay yung pan.
Nakikinan. Bigat kanina.
You want rice?
Nice cute.
Bayabas. Hindi bayabas. Oh, bayabas yan. Yan pala.
Tilapia po with 4 sauces.
Spaghetti lang water. May baked scallops mo mga kayo.
Yes, we cover it.
Tayo. Lagay mo lang yun dyan. Wala naman ang laman. Just adjust lang. Wala na, Daddy. Diyan mo na
Pwede
siya nalagay.
mag-adjust ng konti.
Ito, dito.
Wait lang. Candy.